Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And today we have Leo here, so let's get deep into some Hakka idioms. 有你在的时候呢，我们就可以有深度一点。我们来讨论，就是让大家可以激励大家的一个谚语好了。
今天要讲的这个谚语呢，就是要跟读书有关系。
好，因为现在是9月份，
要开学了，
我们要鼓励学生好好用功念书。All right, so Leo's going to teach us an idiom associated with studying, with working hard, because it is the return of school month right here in September. 所以是什么谚语呢？
讀書很用功，
讀書很用功，
茅寮地度出鄉工，
茅寮地度出鄉工。第一句我觉得我可以马上就知道，读书很用功嘛。
对，肯是很，所以就听起来是很像国语的肯。
Okay, the word 很 actually means if you're willing to study hard, but it also sounds like if you study hard. Okay, 所以读书肯用功，然后后面怎么样？
茅寮地度出鄉工，
茅寮地度出鄉工，这我就不懂什么意思了。
你一定没有看过，就是以前那个农村啊，农家比较穷苦的时候呢，他们住的房子是那种茅草盖的，那个就叫茅寮。
茅寮哦，茅草做的，
对，茅寮
这样子。对 ，OK， 茅寮 ，so that's like a straw hut，OK， that you find like near a farm or something， 在乡下可能在农场旁边才会有这种茅寮嘛，对不对？
而且通常这种住在茅寮里面都是比较穷苦的人。
That's true，
所以这句话的意思呢，就是说，即便是住在茅寮在很穷苦的环境里面，那只要他肯用功念书呢，还是会出相公的。
出相公啊？
意思就是说，这个你只要用功读书，你都可以考到公民啊，你可能考状元啊什么之类的。
The whole sentence, it actually means if you're willing to study hard, even in the worst conditions, you know, it doesn't matter what kind of family background or financial background you're in, you can still succeed in life.
对。
Okay, so let's hear this idiom explained in English.
An old Hakka proverb goes something like this. It doesn't matter whether one lives in a mansion or a hut, success comes to those who study hard. The Hakka believe that education is the key to a brighter future. Parents, especially those who are not as well off, constantly remind their children to study hard and not give up in the face of adversity or feel ashamed of their family's financial circumstances. With a solid education, anything is possible.
Let's have Leo say it again in Hakka.
讀書很用功，茅寮地度出鄉工。
So there you have it. Study hard, folks. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.